Welcome back to the Kid with the Tie. Today we're making chocolate chip cupcakes with Oreo frosting, whipped cream on the top. Let's get right into it. Let's go. And now for our first step, we mix up our dry ingredients. So we have 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. We mix in our 3/4 cup cocoa powder from Hershey's. We also put our 1 1/2 cup of sugar. Then we put 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Put that in. Now I just give that a whisk. See, it should become chocolatey with cocoa powder. And now that we whisk together all our dry ingredients, should be all chocolate, we put our wet ingredients. So we put 1/2 cup of vegetable oil into our mixture. Now we put our 1 cup of whole milk. Two eggs. Right. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm gonna close that. Then you can beat it. So after we incorporated our wet ingredients, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And after that's incorporated, you had to put 1 cup of boiling water. And then, all you gotta do, just beat it. So now that we've beaten up our boiling water, it should be a very thin batter, and it should also smell delicious. Too good. We are going to line our cupcake tins. Now that we have all our cupcake tins lined, we scoop our batter 3/4 of the way high. Let's do 1. Really thin, so just put that in there. That's about 3/4 of the way. Alright guys, so now that we've scooped our batter into the liners, we put it into the oven that's preheated for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay guys, it is out of the oven. I was cooling on a wire rack. I cooled it for about 30 minutes to an hour. So now is for the whipped cream frosting. First, you get about 10 to 12 Oreos in a Ziploc. And with your roller pin, or you can use a pan too to crush it. Just have fun. Now, this is the result of the crushed Oreos. This is to be made for the whipping Oreo frosting thing. So the ingredients we have here is 1 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 12 crushed Oreos, and 1/2 cup of sugar. And this is some unflavored gelatin I have here. So what you want to do to make the gelatin is you put 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin into the stove with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Put on low heat, keep on mixing until it dissolves. And there you have it, your unflavored gelatin. So let's do it. So I also put my steel bowl in the fridge while these cupcakes were cooling down. So now onto the first step. We put our 1 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Put that in. So then now we have 1/2 cup of sugar. Good. And 1 teaspoon, or 1 teaspoon, yeah, of vanilla extract. So that is good. And now we beat it. So when the soft peaks form, which it hasn't right now, when it does form, we put the gelatin and keep on beating it until well incorporated. And then we fold in our Oreos. We will give you updates after the peaks have formed. So now the peaks have formed. As you can see, I will show you. It rises from the bottom to the top. So after that happens, as I said, we add our gelatin. And keep on beating. Okay, so now that we added our gelatin, we incorporated it. As you can see, it's way more, peaks are forming a lot better. Now that we added gelatin, we can add our 12 crushed Oreos. And now we fold it. Well, that is fully incorporated now. So now that we've incorporated our Oreos, we put it into our piping bag. Let's try to pipe one. Okay. This is gonna be a fail. 100% a fail. I don't think I'm doing it right. I'm trying really hard. You're not cut. Okay guys, so now that we have piped it, we have put some Oreos on it. Let's give it a try. So, let's put that on. It's really good. The frosting is delicious, especially with Oreos in it. I wouldn't prefer the base to be vanilla since I love chocolate over chocolate. No reason. Please make sure to like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I will see you next time.